Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to change your TikTok region on TikTok app. I'm sorry, you don't need a VPN, because if you are using a VPN, TikTok is going to ban you. And I have seen a lot of people do want to change their TikTok region, and TikTok is not allowing them because for some reason they don't have that option where you can change your TikTok region. But I have some suggestions on how to make TikTok show you the videos in the language that you want. So if you are using TikTok and TikTok shows you, for example, videos in another language that you don't want to see, here is how you can make TikTok show you the videos that you are interested in and in the language that you want. So all you have to do, guys, is open your TikTok account, of course, and now you want to click your profile at the very bottom right. So at the very bottom right, so you want to click, and then if you want to change your if you want TikTok to show you the videos that you are interested in or in the language that you want, you want to click the three little lines in the top right corner, okay? And then you want to click settings and privacy. So TikTok now shows you the videos that you don't want to see, and here is the first thing that you need to do. So you want to clear cache. Here, if you scroll down, you can see here clear cache. Okay, you want to click it until you see here 0. So now TikTok doesn't know anything, doesn't know any language that you speak or anything like that. So if you want TikTok to show you the videos that are that you are interested in the language that you want to just click language. Just click language and then click preferred languages. So this, like TikTok says here, this will help us customize your viewing experience. So if you click preferred languages here, as you can see, you want to select the language that you want to see the videos in. So you want to see, for example, English videos. I want to see English videos and Arabic videos. And we're just going to click down in the top right corner. So I see a lot of people think that if they change app language, then TikTok is going to show them the videos in the language of the app. That's not true. You have to click preferred languages and then select the languages that you want to see on TikTok app. And again, just go and then do this and then go back. Now TikTok doesn't know anything. As you can see here, guys, I get now the videos in the language that I want. As you can see here, guys, now TikTok shows the videos that I am interested in. So if this video helped you, please